Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Claude for data analysis. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is a fast and practical workflow that helps you turn raw information into useful insights without needing complex software or advanced setup. To begin, open your browser, go to Claude AI, and start a brand new chat. Using a fresh conversation helps keep the context focused entirely on the dataset and questions you are working with. Next, paste your data directly into the chat window. You can use tables, CSV text, spreadsheets converted into plain text, or even simple lists of numbers. Once the data is pasted, ask a clear and specific question about it. For example, if you need deeper insights, you can ask it to find patterns in sales data or compare performance across different regions or time periods. This encourages Claude to look for relationships between variables, identify top-performing segments, and point out unusual results or anomalies worth investigating further. After some time, you will see that Claude starts generating results that can really blow your mind. It will create deep analytics from your sales data, find important patterns, highlight trends, and suggest useful insights hidden inside the data. It can help you understand which products are performing well, which regions are generating more revenue, where sales are dropping, and what changes you can make to improve your business decisions. For a more polished output, you can ask Claude to generate a short report based on the dataset. It can create a concise summary that includes key findings, major insights, and practical takeaways written in a clean narrative format. You can even specify the desired tone, format, or length depending on whether the report is intended for business, education, marketing, or general research purposes. That's the overall process for using Claude as a simple and effective data analysis assistant. And that's it! So that's basically how you can use Claude for data analysis. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.